I'd like to say that this is a view from our office window, but sadly we're down closer to street level. For 35 years, Kambashi has been researching and delivering market intelligence from its base here in Cambridge in the UK. Our domain is information technology in a broadly defined manufacturing, production and construction sector. Our focus is software used by engineering and technical professionals. And our mission is to support rational, evidence-based decision-making across the whole cycle from strategy and marketing planning to sales execution. So, to introduce our connected applications work, I'll look at 5 points. Like all computers, the enterprise systems used to run businesses work with digitized information. So it's always been difficult for business process automation to go beyond documents, transactions, databases, images, music and video. Integrating the real world of buildings, vehicles, equipment and machinery used to need expensive special projects. Now, affordable technology makes it cost-effective to put electronics and software into buildings, machines and equipment of all sorts. In the past, the reason to do this was function. Good controls enabled better performance. A whole engineering discipline of embedded systems grew up to put microcontrollers and software into all sorts of products. But now, connectivity adds a whole new dimension. The internet connects applications to smart products, and so the barrier between business systems and the real world has been removed. This is the world of connected applications. There's no need for software to rely on a database for information about an object. The software can read data direct and can also send commands and updates. So machines, equipment, devices, products, things of all types are back within the scope of information technology. Connected applications can improve business processes. People can create software and invent whole new ways of working. And while this change in products and equipment has been happening, enterprise systems themselves have changed. The boundary between corporate IT and the operational technology used in factories and warehouses is disappearing. The core of business systems, the system of record, is still there, but interactive systems of engagement for both customers and suppliers are transforming the way transactions are performed. Cloud technology in external data centers and also in-house adds flexibility. People access systems not only from the old dedicated workstations, but also using smartphones and tablets, and also via buttons and sensors and switches in some of the newly connected devices. New workflows are integrating the entire design, make, use lifecycle. Information technology is still the widely recognized name, but its scope and capability has changed. This is creating opportunity for software providers. Kambashi's focus on engineering software has provided our microscope to understand how engineering functions, especially in product development, have been growing their spend on, for example, tools for embedded systems development. This is an area we've been studying and reporting since the early 2010s. But as we saw the transition from smart products to smart connected products, we saw that not only was there a growing need for middleware software to handle the plumbing of connected products, but we also needed to pay attention to the connected applications, which would signal the hot areas in the market. The reality is that there's a zoo of new types of software. One example is software to optimize performance of compressors in a factory, but another example, also using Internet of Things connection technology to a smart device, is pest control, instrumented traps for humane pest control, which can also provide data to show progress of a colony on a map. For Kambashi, this is the sort of challenge we like. How can we assess this software zoo and provide evidence which will help guide business decisions? We want a structured and quantified view of the market, like this example, which shows the propensity of various industries to spend on engineering software for design and manufacturing. We've been studying this connected systems market for several years now, and a key result is our choice of connected areas as the top-level segmentation to bring order and meaning to this market's revenue opportunities. Industries and countries will come later, but now I'd like to hand you over to my colleagues to tell you more about our work and our plans.